Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Okelia Ramawati from English Education Study Program. Today I would like to present my research proposal entitled The Correlation Among Self-Esteem, Reading Motivation, and Reading Comprehension, a case of English grade student of junior high school in Banyuasin. First, introduction. In this study, I discuss reading comprehension because it is one of the most important skill in learning English. Through reading comprehension, students can understand information, ideas, and knowledge from text. However, Indonesia's student literacy achievement is still relatively low. Many students experience difficulties in understanding text, identifying main ideas, and making inference. Besides cognitive ability, psychological factors also influence student learning process. Two important factors are self-esteem and reading motivation. Students with high self-esteem usually feel more confident in learning, while students with high reading motivation tend to read more actively and seriously. Previous study mostly discuss these variables separately. Therefore, this study focuses on examining of correlation among self-esteem, reading motivation, and reading comprehension simultaneously. Next is variable and research purpose. In this has three variables. The first independent variable is self-esteem. Self-esteem refers to student confidence and evaluation of their own abilities. The second independent variable is reading motivation. It refers to student willingness, interest, and enthusiasm in reading activities. The dependent variable is reading comprehension, which means student ability to understand written text. The purpose is of study to examine whether there is a significant correlation among these variables and to identify the contribution of self-esteem and reading motivation towards student reading comprehension. Research problem and objective. The research problem in this study are: first, is there a significant correlation among self-esteem, reading motivation, and reading comprehension of A grade student? Second, to what extent do self-esteem and reading motivation contribute to reading comprehension achievement? Based on this problem, the objective of this study are to determine the correlation among the variable and analyze to contribute of self-esteem and reading motivation toward reading comprehension. Next is significance of the study. The study is expected to provide theoretical and practical significance. This study support theories about psychological factors in education, especially self-esteem and reading motivation in relation to reading comprehension. Practically, from teachers, this study can help them design better teacher strategies and create a supportive classroom environment. From students, this study can help increase their confidence and motivation in reading activities. For future research, this study can become a reference for further studies related to psychological factors and reading comprehension. And then literature review. In this chapter, I discuss the theory related to the variables. First is self-esteem. Self-esteem is students' evaluation of their own worth and abilities. There are several types of self-esteem such as high self-esteem, low self-esteem, genuine self-esteem, and contingent self-esteem. Second is the reading motivation. Reading motivation refers to student internal and external drive to engage in reading activities. Reading motivation consists of intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Next is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension refers to student ability to understand, interpret, and analyze written text. There are several components of reading comprehension. Number 1, scanning specific information. Number 2, identifying the main idea. Number 3, finding words reference. Number 4, guessing meaning from context. And then next, making inference. Reading comprehension is important because it supports academic achievement and critical thinking. Next is previous study and gaps. There are several previous studies related to this research. Putri found that self-esteem influences reading comprehension. Rahman found that reading motivation has a positive correlation with reading comprehension. Kurniawan found that self-esteem and reading motivation simultaneously contribute to reading comprehension achievement. However, most previous studies focus only on the one or two variables, and few studies examine all three variables together, especially among 8th grade students in Banyuasin. This becomes the research gap of my study. Okay, next is hypothesis. In this study, there are two hypotheses. The null hypothesis, or HO, state there is no significant correlation among the variables. The alternative hypothesis, or HA, state that there is a significant correlation among self-esteem, reading motivation, and reading comprehension. The criteria are if the p-value is less than 0,05, its result is significant. And if the p-value is greater than 0,05, the result is not significant. Research methodology. This study uses a quantitative method with a correlational design. The design is used because the researcher wants to examine the relationship among variables without manipulating them. The variables in this study are X1 self-esteem, X2 reading motivation, and Y reading comprehension. Next is population and sample. The population of this study consists of 8 grade students from Junior High School 1 Selat Pendaguan, Junior High School 2 Pulau Rimau, and Madrasah Sanawiyah Al Hijriyah in Banyuasin. During the academic year 2026, the population is 245 students. The sampling technique used in this study is cluster random sampling because students are grouped into classes. The total sample is this study consists of 125 students selected random from the population. Next is operational definition and instrument. In this study, self-esteem refers to student confidence and self-worth. Reading motivation refers to student willingness and interest in reading activities. Reading comprehension refers to student ability to understand written text. The instrument used are Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale, or RSES, Motivation for Reading Questionnaire, or MRQ, and then reading comprehension test. Next is validity and readability. To ensure the accuracy of the instrument, validity and readability tests are conducted. For validity, the instruments are checked through content validity and expert judgment. For readability, the research used Cronbach alpha and field testing to ensure consistency of the instruments. And the last is data analysis. The data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics such as mean and standard deviation. Before hypothesis testing, prerequisite tests are conducted including normality test and linearity test. Then hypothesis testing is conducted using person-product moment correlation and multiple regression analysis consistency of the instrument. Okay, that's all about my research proposal presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.